Good morning, Bulldogs. I'm curious to know if anyone can identify the origin of this particular song. Today is Thursday. It's a thundering thinking Throwback Thursday, October 22nd. And today is a B-Day. Send me a Teams message if you can identify the origins of the song, if you can tell me where this is from. It's very fitting, as today is a Throwback Thursday. Also fitting, I found some pictures from back before when we could do fun things like field lessons. Here are some students of the past, present students of the past. And here's some staff members from way back when. And some not so way back when staff members. Alright guys, let's dive in. Please join me for the pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing or silent for a moment of silence. Awesome. Thanks, guys. On to the birthdays. We only have one student birthday to announce. John De La Cruz in 8th grade. I hope you are having a phenomenal Thursday. Thursday's a great day to have a birthday on. You've only got one day left until the weekend. I hope you've had a great week so far and that you continue to have a great week and then have a great weekend. You share a birthday with musician 21 Savage, pictured top there. You share a birthday with comedian Carlos Mencia. And then actor Jesse Ferguson. I know him from Modern Family. Good stuff. Happy birthday to everyone born on this day. Another plug for Mr. Clark. Thank you again for all you are doing for our campus. We miss you, Mr. Rubio, but we are so fortunate for Mr. Clark. On to this day in history. October 22nd in 1962. JFK's address on Cuban Missile Crisis shocks the nation. In a televised speech of extraordinary gravity, President John F. Kennedy announces on October 22nd that the U.S. spy planes have discovered Soviet missile bases in Cuba. These missile sites, under construction but nearing completion, house medium-range missiles capable of striking a number of major cities in the United States, including Washington, D.C. Kennedy announced that he was ordering a naval quarantine of Cuba to prevent Soviet ships from transporting any more offensive weapons to the island, and explained that the United States would not tolerate the existence of missile sites currently in place. The president made it clear that America would not stop short of military action in what he called a clandestine, reckless, and provocative threat to world peace. What is known as the Cuban Missile Crisis actually began on October 14th. The day that U.S. intelligence personnel analyzing U-2 spy plane data discovered that the Soviets were building medium-range missile sites in Cuba. The next day, President Kennedy secretly convened an emergency meeting of his senior military, political, and diplomatic advisors to discuss the ominous development. The group became known as ExComm, short for Executive Committee. After rejecting a surgical airstrike against the missile sites, ExComm decided on a naval quarantine and a demand that the bases be dismantled and missiles removed. On the night of October 22nd, Kennedy went on national television to announce his decision. During the next 6 days, the crisis escalated to a breaking point as the world tottered on the brink of a nuclear war between the two superpowers. Here's the schedule again. It's Thursday. Nothing has changed since Monday, but pause just in case you need another reminder on the times. Again, great job on the breaks. The pumpkin contest is still going on. Ask your homeroom teacher for more information on the specifics necessary to enter. This month is Anti-Bullying Month. Thank you for doing your part to make sure that our campus is a safe space to all who enter. Attendance is still a thing. It's important that you are coming to class every day, and we appreciate everything that you do to encourage your classmates and your friends to also come to class. Showing up is half the battle. It's not everything, right? But it is a really important step in order to do anything else. Thank you guys for doing your part by wearing your masks, making sure they cover your nose, cover your mouth, all that good stuff. If you have any questions, please text 512-814-5326. Follow us on Facebook. Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if no one else tells you today, remember that we love you, believe in you, and always will. I love you guys. I love you guys very much. I care about you. I miss you. I worry about you when you don't show up. Please know that you're doing a good job and that we are proud of you. Enjoy Move This World. And have a phenomenal Friday, Junior.